All right, guys, before we start working out, I wanted to show the guys are self-driving. They want to check the car out.
A little spaceship action.
So let's give it a shot. Push this button right here.
Wow.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome to Beast Mode Airlines. I'm self-driving, the hands are not on the wheel. Hold the camera.
I got you.
Hey, look, I'm gonna switch lanes, look.
Oh.
Can switch the lanes for you.
That's cool.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Where's the neutral?
There you go. You wanna get back in the other lane? Go back to the other lane. And if there's a car too close to you, it won't do it. It'll go red and say wait. You know what I mean? Bam.
Man.
It even exits it too. It'll exit for you too if you want to do an exit.
Man, this is what they told me about when I was a kid.
This is badass, man. Alright, we're enjoying ourselves. Enjoying the smooth rides, man. Headed to the gym.
I have to kill some chairs.
Yes, sir.
Typical Mondays.
Right here?
Yeah. Alright, man. So, before we start working out, man, go out to eat. Tell them a little bit about how long you've been watching the channel, man.
Hey guys, so my name is Chris, from France, from Paris. I've been like watching like Chris for like at least 5 years.
5 fucking years?
Yeah, I started with POG, you know, and like yeah, I like Pump Chaser Lifestyle, I like Chris Jones, man. He's the one who teach me everything, not only in fitness, but as a human being, you know. He's a nice inspiration, motivation. He gives you confidence, and then you can make everything better for you and better yourself, you know what I mean?
And he says everything he's learned pretty much watching the free video.
Yeah, I'm not saying all the bullshit because he's just in front of me. Right? Here we are real, right?
Yes, sir.
And the thing is like
We have no filters, with no scripts here, man. I literally just put him on the spot, pulled the camera out.
I don't understand.
What is bullshit? No scripts, no nothing, man.
What I'm saying is like yeah, since the beginning, I knew that I wanted to start something in fitness, and I wanted, you know, to find some support, like some people who are living the lifestyle.
Yes,
Because,
sir.
to be honest, you know, like sometimes I feel like lonely on my
That's
fitness
very
journey.
important.
Because family, friends, they don't really understand. Some of them they work out, but they don't understand how I feel because I can't even talk about my passion to the people, right?
Nobody's gonna understand. Like,
don't wanna get
nobody's
already.
gonna understand this lifestyle unless they're living it, brother. I've been there, I've done that. Trust me, trying to make your friends and family members follow what you're doing,
Exactly.
you beat the dead horse, brother.
understand.
Good too, man. Tell me how old you are too.
I just turned 30 years old.
And
yeah.
where-
I started at 26, kind of late, but hey.
We're close to the same age. I'm 33.
Yeah.
I'm 33. He's 30. You know what I mean? These guys are young. How old are y'all? 26.
25.
I started YouTube at 26.
That's crazy.
I was on POG at 26.
Yeah.
So guys, and look, I'm 33 now.
No, when I
Time fucking flies.
Because when I met you, for the first time, I was like, I thought I was late.
Yeah.
And then you told me your story, like,
I met
you
you-
told me.
yeah.
I started when I was 26, and I was like,
Yeah.
oh,
I
met you when I was
I
like
guess I got a little
22.
It's
time.
never too late to start your goddamn career, your passion, man. I started at 26. I'm 33 now, and I'm not going nowhere. I'm gonna be 45, still training people. Okay.
Yeah.
So look, just start when you're just start and be patient, guys. Be
Yeah, that's
hungry.
it. And the thing is like, it's not only about fitness. The discipline you get, you know, the confidence helps you like in other aspects of your life, you know, like professional, for the professional world, relationship. And the thing is like, yeah, you can do everything in a better way. You know,
Goddamn right.
You become your best version of
It
yourself.
makes you better in everything you
Yeah,
do.
that's-
Everything you do, it makes. If you can fucking diet for several weeks, you can take your ass to work. You can fucking do other things. You can study for a test. You're doing real estate now, right?
Yeah.
And he said you can look at that. He's not making right now. He's trying to get into a fitness game. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But he has his career going too.
Yeah.
I didn't quit my fucking job. I'm seeing all these guys asking me how to make it on YouTube. I'm like, look, I didn't quit my fucking job until 2 years in. You know what I mean?
Because
You
you know,
got,
fitness is my passion, right?
because not everybody's gonna make a lot of money doing fitness.
Yeah, fitness is my passion.
Yeah.
I want it to be secure, safe first. Then I go into my fitness project
Yeah.
because I don't want to be stressed out. This
Yeah.
is my passion. I don't want to wake up and be stressed out.
Don't
You know what
go broke trying to chase your passion.
I mean? Yeah, man.
Get you a job that pays
Thanks.
and do your passion on the side.
Take a risk within reason.
Yeah, see, I don't believe in taking stupid risks. I believe in calculated
Calculated
risks.
risk.
I'm not going right now, right now.
I didn't even quit my job until I had a year's worth of rent saved up.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then once I had a year's worth of rent saved in my bank account, I said, fuck this job.
Yeah.
And I went full-time YouTuber, started getting sponsorships, started doing coaching
I would say when you
again.
start making more money
Yeah.
doing your side hustle than your actual hustle,
Yeah.
that's when it transfers.
That's when you fucking take that risk.
right.
People be like, I moved to LA with $10. No, the fuck you did not. Get the fuck out of here. You probably sucking dick for money. What the fuck? I was living in my car at $10. Get the fuck out of here with that bullshit. I don't wanna hear that
You
shit.
couldn't afford a
You were
water
doing G for
in
B.
LA.
That's what the fuck you were doing.
You couldn't afford a meal in LA for that.
$10 in my pocket. Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, what about $10? Waffle Grill, fucking $12 a meal.
Everybody try to hear that bullshit, man. Calculate the risk. I ain't gonna tell these young kids out here to quit their job and chase their passion like some of these motherfuckers on YouTube do. I'm telling you straight up, work a job
chase
and
your
do your
passion.
passion on the side.
Yeah.
Once that shit take off to where you're comfortable, then go ahead and quit your job and see if it pays off.
Gotta start a little
Don't
bit.
fucking be one of these I moved to LA with $10 in my pocket, motherfuckers. Anyway, we're about to train some chest and arms. Just show y'all a few clips, and then we're gonna go out to eat, guys. Y'all stay tuned. Get it, baby. Yeah.
You working now?
This camera much better. Look at the shadows on these motherfucking arms. Hey, nothing but a motherfucking peanut, baby. Get big, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. All right, guys. So we did 3 sets at this incline. Now we're gonna go up. 3 more sets, higher incline. Really abuse these motherfucking upper pecs. You hear me? There we go. How we do it, baby? If you need a spot, we're here for you. Let's get it. High incline, baby. Top shelf action. Can't be giving out my motherfucking secrets. There we go. We getting that upper chest in. Bam.
And I'm giving you that Diddy talk.
There you go. There you go. There we go. Getting that decline work in. There we go. Hey guys, check it out. You know those two-tone shirts, the black and white and gray and black? These match the Sand Cream joggers. This two-tone shirt right here, it will be in stock Friday. Be sure to use TJ10 or Hector 10 for 10% off, man. Support my brothers. New stringer come next week. 3 colors. Fuck with it. Woo, that boy swole. Fluffy. Fat swole nigga. Nigga that's fat and swole at the same motherfucking time.
There's still some vascularity, man. There you go.
Get that. I want all that money. No jerking, baby. I want everything. I won't lose no tension. No lower back. I want all. Ah!
There you go.
Ah!
Not enough weight, bro.
Yeah, it's not enough weight here for Poppy Hector, man.
Too easy.
Help! 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 Please, help, please! What movie is that from? Help, please! What movie is that from? Here we go. Somebody's like, damn! I went to the website. Stop staring at my motherfucking upper chest, people. I went to the motherfucking website, and I don't see this string on it. Goddamn! I told you, motherfuckers. Next week, get 30. They coming. 3 colors. PumpChases.com. Use TJ10 for 10% off. Let's get it, baby. Look at that shit. Oh! Oh, stressing the fucking tomorrow. Look at this shit, man. Come on, man. We ain't playing no games. We want them all. Show me how it's done. Show them how it's done. There we go. I forgot how to curl. Show me how to curl, Hector, goddammit. There we go. Oh, okay. All right, put take this with you to France, brother.
Oh man.
No fancy shipping, nothing. This guy orders from us all the time and pays crazy shipping. Hell, maybe one day, if the business grows internationally, we can get distribution in other countries. But hey, it's up to you guys to support me, man. I know my U.S. supporters, keep the motherfucking lights on. Y'all want me in the UK, you want me in motherfucking Australia, show the support. We get distribution, somebody willing to pay, you know, what they were, bulk prices. They can have warehouses and ship to you for a fair price. But until then, I gotta keep the price. You know, I have no control over shipping rates, unfortunately. But this is my boy, man. We got the new Sand shirt coming this Friday. Two-tone.
Thanks, man.
Black on black stringer. It's like this stringer here, but black logo. Bam. Keep in mind, a lot of my shits, like a lot of the joggers, they restock, I believe, this Friday as well. So you want the joggers. Unfortunately, he wears medium. All my mediums are sold out. But this Friday, all medium joggers restock. Come support the brand. Jersey material stringer, bam.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Jersey material, black and white, bam.
Yeah, I love it.
And those, you know, these shirts right here, the new premiums, all 3 colors. Bam, this is what I'm wearing right here in the package. Bam. Get down to France. Too much. Get down there, represent for us, baby.
Thank you for
Good
everything.
family, man. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Oh man.
Let's go eat, goddammit. All right, guys. Post-workout meal. Cause shit just got real. All right, guys. So we're chilling right here. Before our food come, I want to talk to you guys about something really quick. I get this question all the fucking time from clients, from people in my fucking DM. I'm just gonna give it to you raw and uncooked, and that's what I do. If it offends some people, hey, be fucking offended. You're not me and I'm not you. With that said, we're not gonna always agree on everything, but we can respect each other anyway, right? With that said, people are constantly complaining and whining to me about how their friends don't support them and how they're constantly peer pressured into not sticking with their diet. Perfect example, friends invite you out on a Friday night to go to dinner, you end up eating the cheese sticks and the margaritas. The next day you feel like an asshole because you fucked up your diet. I have clients that pay me for coaching and they email me with these same excuses. So here's my advice to you. You have 3 choices when you're on a diet and you're on the grind. Choice number 1, all right, is go out to eat and order something healthy and stay on the plan. Be a fucking man, have some fucking balls. When you go out with your family or friends and they're not bodybuilder friendly, let them have their cheese sticks and their ribs. You stay on the grind. You get your chicken breast, whatever it is, to fit your macros and stay on track. All right? Choice number 2, maybe you should get some new fucking friends. Now, I'm not telling you to abandon your friends, abandon your day ones, but what I am saying, when you're on the fucking grind to success or you on a grind to get a great physique, you may have to hang out with friends like these guys who are more on your level, you know, people who are on the same mindset. Notice we're on the same grind. We just got done working out together. We're about to eat together.
About to eat the same thing.
He's not gonna peer pressure me into having a margarita on a Monday. You know what I mean? So you can have choice number 1, grow some fucking balls, let your friends and family know what it is. Choice number 2, find some new friends to hang with that are like-minded. Or choice number 3, fucking give up. This shit may not be for you. Those are your 3 choices. Grow a pair of balls and stay on your grind. 2, hang out with more like-minded friends that you can grow with. Or choice number 3, give the fuck up and do something else.
I always like to say to my friend, you know, it's like, you have the choice. You don't have to eat everything somebody giving you, right?
Yeah.
If somebody give you a whole plate of shit, you don't have to eat everything,
Yeah.
okay? That's your choice. This is what I'm doing, man.
After a while, it just gets built in to where it feels weird if you have like a margarita on a Monday. Like,
Yeah.
it just feel wrong.
Exactly.
It doesn't feel as good as like on a Saturday. It tastes better on
I
a
do
Saturday.
see people going out during the week, and I'm just like, damn. Like,
Dude, it's better when you wait, man.
Saturdays,
it's-
like,
it's
I
like
like
they
my
have no
Saturdays, but then
discipline.
during the week, it's like, how do they do it?
I say I might cut a major rug on Saturday, but I feel like if I do it on a Thursday, I have no discipline.
Yeah, exactly. It's all about discipline,
Yeah.
guys. Trust me, there's a lot of guys 24-hour fitness right now. And I used to work at 24-hour fitness who never changed. They constantly look at the goddamn same because their lifestyle hasn't changed. All right? And one more thing. Like I said about the new friend thing. Notice when my buddy Sock came out of prison, what was the first thing I did? I got him a car. Go ahead, check the car out, my nigga. Check the goddamn car.
Man, I'm about to cry, man.
That on camera. That on camera. Hey, get stop. And your kid.
Don't cry, man.
Well, that on camera. There you go.
Man, hey, we done been through the storm together,
Yeah. Second thing I did, I got him a gym membership. And I took him to the gym with me. Want to know why? Because me and him been friends for a long time. And I don't want to lose him because we're not on the same page. I got to get him on my page because I'm not going to stop doing this fitness shit. So the first thing I did was just grabbed him and brought him into my life. Because that's the only way to be my fucking friend. I'm not gonna stop doing this bodybuilding thing. You're either gonna join me on this bodybuilding journey or get left the fuck behind.
If you don't, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
So I got him a car. That way there's no excuse. He can come out to me. I got him a gym membership so he can train when he's not with me. And he got the key to my gym. Hey guys, this is a lifestyle. And some people say it's lonely at the top. It's not lonely at the top. It's only lonely when you're trying to drag people to what you're trying to do that ain't on your page. It's never lonely. Just find motherfuckers who like to do what you like to do. That's what Pump Chasers is all about. Pump Chasers is a brand created for people who live for this shit. All right?
Yeah, cheers to that.
There you go. Y'all enjoy.
Maria, Maria, Maria. All right, guys, check it out. Steak, chicken, and potato.
Hey,
My
man.
boy got the same thing but loaded them up. Let me focus that.
it's
He
my-
loaded them up.
My second meal of the day.
My boy Chris got the same thing, steak, chicken, potato. And my boy Hector. a little All right, guys, what we having? We're about to eat up, okay? Also, we're going to hit Flex tomorrow.
Metroflex tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're going to Metroflex, so be looking out for a full training video. It's not gonna be vlog style. It's gonna be a back day with the workout description, the whole nine. So y'all interested, be looking out for that video, and we'll catch you at the next. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy.
Don't forget to buy 30 of these.
And please buy 30 of them bitches, por favor. That's please in Spanish. Get 30 of them bitches minimum.